fix in 5. Let's decode P0448. EVAP vent control circuit shorted. ECM detects malfunction in purge cont. Causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Check engine light, MIL, illuminated, difficult cold start conditions, fuel odor inside cabin, engine performance loss under load, increased evaporative emissions. Now the most likely causes. EVAP purge valve stuck or blocked, most common. Solenoid connector oxidized, or pin corrosion. Open circuit in wiring to solenoid, wire break or insulation damage. Internal solenoid fault, burned coil or defective magnetic core. How to fix it. Clean or replace defective EVAP purge solenoid valve. Repair/replace damaged wiring and restore oxidized connections with dielectric grease. Inspect and clean all ECM connections. Resolder connectors if necessary. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. What does it cost? Roughly 38 to 98 euros doing it yourself, or 158 to 218 euros at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, will P0448 cause my vehicle to fail an emissions test? Yes, an active P0448 fault code will typically cause your vehicle to fail an emissions or smog test, as it triggers the check engine light and indicates a monitored system failure. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device, put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score, and every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0448. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas. Links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.